to add my pepper steak in. You're gonna see me add the pepper steak in, and then I'm going to whisk the steak in the pot. Now I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes before I add my peppers and my other ingredients. So while I let the pepper steak cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna let that marinate before I start adding my other ingredients. Okay, so now the pepper steak, ooh, it's at a boil. So what I'm gonna do is start adding my green pepper and yellow pepper, red pepper and red onion, and my garlic into the pot. Here we go. See me add all the ingredients inside. Ooh, child. So now that I have everything inside, I am going to mix it all in, okay? And then I'm going to continue to let the steak cook some more, as you can see. So let all of that cook in here and marinate. Okay, then I'm going to add my coloring. Then I like to add my Goya Sazon for food coloring. Add 2 packs. So I know a lot of people like brown gravy, but I don't. I like to use my red Sazon packet because eventually it will turn brown. The steak also makes its own gravy. So yes, you guys, this is how I make my pepper steak. So I make sure it can marinate inside of the Sazon. Okay, and then we put the top on it. Let all the green pepper, the garlic, and everything just marinate. I'm gonna let that simmer. Here go the pepper steak. It is now marinating. Look at it. The sauce is getting thick with the Goya Sazon. Looking real good. Okay, okay. Okay, look at that. Looking real delicious, my steak. And then I have over here my white rice, my basmati rice. So this is looking pretty good, and I will be right back to show you how my plate is.